The surprising health benefits of pomegranate fruits revealed. Did you know that pomegranate fruit has been used for medicinal purposes for thousands of years? This superfood is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that offer numerous health benefits. One of the most impressive benefits of pomegranate is its ability to reduce inflammation. The fruit lowers inflammation in the blood. It reduces the risk of chronic diseases like heart and cancer diseases. Pomegranate contains punicolagens compounds that have powerful antioxidant properties. Antioxidants protect against oxidative stress, which damage cells and contribute to the aging process. Studies have also found that pomegranate juice may improve memory and brain function. The fruit contains polyphenols compounds that helps to improve cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Pomegranate is also great for your heart. The fruit has been shown to lower blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. It may also reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. So next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to grab a few pomegranates. This superfood is as delicious as it is nutritious and can provide numerous health benefits. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like, comment, and share.